Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best motion sensor trash cans that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the iTouchless 4-gal sensor trash can with odor filter. When you need a smaller trash can for use in smaller rooms, here is a quality product that you should try out. The trash can has a volume of 4 gal and, therefore, a great option for all users. More interestingly, the trash can adopt infrared sensor technology for hands-free opening and closing of the lid. Moreover, the trash can features a sleek ergonomic design, which implies that it will fit even smaller spaces. Furthermore, it is available in most colors to get the appropriate color. Moving on at number 4, we have the Parrington Hamilton Beach Polished Stainless Steel Motion Sensor Trash Can. The quality of the material that makes the trash can is a feature to consider before buying a trash can. This is a fantastic can built from premium quality stainless steel and with the polished finish, it is rust and corrosion resistant. The pack comes with 2 trash cans of sizes 13-gal and 14-gal. With this, you will find them excellent for use in most spaces including kitchen, office, and living room among others. They use infrared motion sensors that will ensure a high level of hygiene since you don't need to touch the can. Also, they have a concealed battery that provides a longer runtime. At number 3, we have the iTouchless 14-gal Sliding Lid Automatic Sensor Trash Can. In case you need a quality trash can, here is a top-rated product to give a try. The trash can is excellent for use in most spaces thanks to the elegant stylish design and multiple colors. Other than this, the trash can has 2 power options that include batteries and AC adapter, thus very reliable. More interestingly, it is durable due to the rugged stainless steel built. It has a fingerprint-proof finish for safety and a great look. Also, the sensor trash has a capacity of 14-gal, which suits it best for most spaces. It can accommodate more trash. Lastly, it also features a natural carbon odor filter to lock in the odor. At number 2, we have the NINESTARS AutoTouchless Infrared Motion Trash Can. Here is a special selection of a trash can that you can use in most spaces. It is a highly versatile trash can that is great for use in the bathroom, kitchen, and office just to name a few. Secondly, the trash can is built to serve longer using high-quality stainless steel material that makes it great for years of use. The fingerprint proof promotes a high level of safety. Other than this, the trash can has a volume of 18-gal, so no need for frequent emptying. Also, with the delay sensing technology, the trash can is efficient and will preserve the battery life. It is user-friendly trash can you can easily use, and with the ring liner, it gives a neat look to prevent the overhanging of the bag. And finally at number 1, we have the GLADA Extra Capacity Stainless Steel Motion Sensor Trash Can. Are you looking for the ultimate trash can? This is a special product that is designed to manage more trash since it has a large 20-gal capacity. It is a highly versatile trash can to use in the office, restaurant, kitchen, and garage among others. Besides this, the trash can has a Clorox odor protection so it locks in the odor. It is a quality and durable product that is built of the highest quality of stainless steel, and with the fingerprint proof, it is a great pick for all. The product has an open, close button that you can press when you need to leave it open or even throw more trash. With the improved motion sensor, the trash can will easily detect the hands and open automatically. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.